Jyotsna ji, do you concur with what you've just heard from Tom, that Rahul actually is becoming a problem? You know, he's an LOP, he does not realize his position, he does not realize the responsibility that this position really comes with.
Sorry to say that, Deepti, but I think certain acts of his are actually depicting that. Because I don't mind. See, one of the panelists said, "Ha, kya ho jata hai? You go out, you meet on different platforms. You have to meet with different kinds of people. You might not endorse what they are saying, but you have to meet them." Yes, of course, absolutely. But at the same time, when you are the leader of opposition of India and you are going out of India, trying to have interactions with people outside India, the only thing you should do is increase and improve and probably standardize the image of India. That's what I believe. हमें अंदरूनी कुछ भी हो जाए, within the country you fight with the government, you do whatever you want to. Absolutely, yes. Things are going wrong, you talk to the government, you agitate, you do whatever you want to, nobody is stopping you. But when you go out of the country, probably you have to improve the image of the country. That's one thing, which he has miserably failed, I should say. He goes out and talks about India being not democratic, the present government, I'm sorry. And again, he talks about six, probably that's unwarranted,
yes.
Unwarranted comments. And also coming to this particular lady whom he has met, yes, it was an, let's assume, and also probably believe what they are saying, that nahi, ye to accidental meeting tha, theek hai? Whenever you go outside and you have some scheduled meetings, I believe it's not a debate.
Yes.
Diti, it's not a debate like I have come in. Even when I come in, I ask your guest coordinators, kaun aa raha hai? Dusre party se kaun aa raha hai? I ask them. I ask them. And again, when you go out, probably you take a list of people whom you are meeting. That's bare minimum that anybody does, I believe. Any diplomat does. And again, when you are meeting somebody, yes, when leaders meet anyone, they can meet anyone. There's no doubt about that, Deepti, but you must be cautious as to, you should not lend voices or lend legitimacy to the voices that actually could undermine India's sovereignty or integrity. You should never do that.
And I